Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can create thumbnail like this. So to do that, we will visit Canva and we will search here YouTube thumbnail. Okay. So right now we are on pro version of Canva. So see the cool design you will get on pro version. Okay. So the image, okay, I have taken that image to create this. Okay, so just go ahead and customize this template. So we will check one by one. Business name generator, middle one is red. Okay, so first of all select this and change the content here business. Okay, and then here name, and here generator. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will drag this here, and this one you select and drag it here. Okay, and you just delete it because in our main file it was not there. So select these things, change the color, and the color of this was red. Just increase the size here and select this one, change the color, make it white and increase the size. Okay, so if you want to rotate also you can rotate. Okay, it's very simple. So if you want to rotate like this you can rotate. How to do that? Just select this and just you will get this option. Okay, rotation, done. Okay, so in this way you can generate thumbnail in Canva Pro. But one important thing is that when you edit on Canva Pro you will get high quality designs, which one you won't get in Canva free version. Okay, so just go ahead and download it and you can use for your video. So for now, bye bye, meet you in the next lesson.